If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in bright white. With halogen headlamps, fog lamps, 17-inch granite aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors with manual fold-away, deep tint sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, Sirius XM satellite radio, illuminated cup holders, luxury front and rear floor mats, flat load floor storage, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5487.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.